Hello students, in this video we are discuss about 12th standard computer science chapter 8 topic strings and string manipulation. First introduction. What is string? String is a data type in Python which is used to handle array of character. String is a sequence of Unicode character that may be combination of letter, number or special symbols enclosed within single, double or even triple quotes. String is a data type, one of the data type in Python language. Okay, what is mean by string? String is a data type which is used to handle array of characters. What is the use of string? It is used to handle array of characters. Next, string is a sequence of Unicode characters. Okay, sequence of Unicode character. Next, string contains letters, numbers, special characters, symbols. Okay, it contains letters, number or special symbols. It enclosed within string character enclosed within single quotes, double quotes and triple quotes. Okay, string character, for example, here let us see here. This is string character. First example, enclosed within single character. Second example, double quotes. Third example, enclosed within triple quotes. Okay, these are the string. Okay, in Python, strings are immutable. Immutable means it cannot be changed. Okay, strings characters are immutable. Immutable means one time define you are define any one string, that is string that cannot be change. Okay, one time you define a string character, next time you cannot be change this character. Okay, so string are immutable. Okay, next, how to creating strings. Creating strings. As we learned already, a string in Python can be created using single or double or even triple quotes. String in single quotes cannot hold any other single quoted character in it. Okay, string in single quotes, it cannot hold any other single quoted character because the compiler will not recognize where you start and end the string. To overcome this problem, you have to use double quotes. To overcome this problem, you have to use what? Double quotes. Okay. String which contains double quotes should be defined within triple quotes. String which contain double quotes character. String which contain double quotes character, it's to be defined within triple quotes character. Here see, this is double quotes character but it defined with the triple quotes character. Okay. Defining strings within triple quotes also allows creation of multiple strings. Okay. Here this is the example. First one, single quotes character. It must be defined in single quotes. Here single quotes character must be defined in single quotes. Let us see here. This is double quotes character. The double quotes character must be defined within triple quotes character. Here this is double quotes character, computer science. It must be defined in triple quotes. Okay. Next, triple quotes character must be defined in also triple quotes character. Okay. So this is creating a string. Next topic, accessing character in a string. How to access a character in a string? Once you define a string, Python allocate an index value for each character. These index values are otherwise called as subscript, which are used to access and manipulate the string. The subscript can be positive or negative integer number. Once you define a string, Python allocate a string value. Okay, once if you want to define a string, Python allocate the index value. Every index value start from 0 to etc. Okay, but this index value also called as subscript value. This index value also called as subscript. Okay, the index value other name is subscript. The subscript can be positive value or negative integer numbers. Okay, the positive subscript 0 is assigned to be first character. Here this is the string school. What is the string? School. SCHOOL. Python assign the index value. This is positive subscript, this is negative subscript. Positive subscript start from 0 and end to n minus 1 values. Okay, n minus 1 means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 character. But starting value is 0. So ending value 6 minus 1. So n minus 1 equal to 5. So this is 5. So starting value 0, ending value n minus 1 value. Ending value n minus 1. But this is positive subscript. But negative subscript is reverse order. Reverse order of positive subscript. Okay, end to minus 1. But starting to number of values. Okay, n values. Here see minus, starting value is minus 6. Next minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. Ending value is minus 1. So this is accessing character in a string. Here example. Program to access each character with this positive subscript. Using positive subscript, str1 string 1 input enter a string. Index value start from 0. What is the meaning? The index value start from 0 value. Okay. So this is positive value, positive subscript. For I in str1 print subscript index I. Index plus equal to 1. Output. What is the output? Enter a string welcome. Enter a string welcome. Start from index value, start from 0. So subscript W has the index, having the index value is 0. E, what is the index value of E is 1. Next L is 2. C is 3. 0 is O is 4. M is 5. E equal to 6. So index value start from 0 to 6. Okay, this is positive subscript. Next example, negative subscript. Here string 1 input enter a string, index start from minus 1. Index value what? Minus 1. Okay, next enter a string, same welcome, subscript minus 1 is ending value. E is the ending value of string. So E what is the index value of E? Minus 1. Next M is minus 2. 0 O is minus 3. C is minus 4. L is minus 5. E is minus 6. W is minus 7. So this is the index value accessing string values. Okay.